Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a Cobra. But it's not a CB radio, it's a marine radio, and that's coming up next. Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and today's video is a review of a Cobra radio, but it's not what you think, the typical radio on this channel. It's not a CB radio. It's a Cobra Marine VHF radio, the HH350 FLT. That's a mouthful, but it's basically a portable, handy-talkie, walkie-talkie, call it what you will, Cobra Marine radio that you use when you're out at sea, when you're boating. Because the question is going to be asked. I know for sure I'm going to be posed this question: why a marine radio? Because you never know, you might need a marine radio. You might be out at sea and your boat may break down and you may need a tow, and you may not have a radio. This may or may not have happened to me, but it did pose the question. Everybody out at sea must have a radio, so that's where the Cobra Marine VHF radio comes into play. The HH350 FLT portable marine radio that you can clip on your mariner's belt and boat with safety. So we're going to take a look, unboxing and review, and we're going to get into this radio a little bit. Enjoy. Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and today's video we're going to be doing a review, something new on the channel. We've done CBs and we've done shortwave, we've done GMRS radios, FRS radios. Now it's time to get into boating. This is a Cobra Marine radio. It's the HH350. It's a handheld HT walkie-talkie style, call it what you will. Clip it on your belt and you can go boating on the marine frequencies, which you don't need a license if you're out on the water. So it's kind of like the CB of the sea, like that commercial, the seagulls are the eagles of the sea. Well, Marine Band is the CB of the sea, and we're going to take a look at it. Great to have if you're a boater, if you're just maybe doing a fishing trip. Very inexpensive. They come in around $125. We're going to do an unboxing and we're going to take a look at what you get, and hopefully we can power it up and listen in and see how good it sounds. So let's get cracking. We're going to do an unboxing. Okay, with the power of editing, we're going to cut right to the chase and forgo of actually opening the box, but these are the contents. You get a manual, which is pretty substantial, very explanatory. Took a quick look at it. Covers a lot of features. This radio is feature rich, with lots of modern day features, a lot of scan capabilities. It also has weather channels, NOAA weather channels, and you can set up emergency channels. You also get a register card, and you also get free membership in Boats US. Go to boatsus.com, Cobra Marine, to sign up once you purchase your radio for a free 1-year membership, and that comes with it. So let's get to the what's inside the box, and I'll start opening some of this and save some time. Okay, I've unwrapped everything, and let's see what we get. You get the wall wart charger. You get a cigarette plug adapter for your car, which is great. You can charge in the vehicle. Get a belt clip, branded Cobra. Looks like it's an easy install, just slide right in, no screws. You get a lanyard strap, gotta have one of those. You get your battery. Let's see if I can focus it in. It's It's 1,000 milliamp, 7.4 volt lithium ion rechargeable battery. There it is. You can freeze frame it. You get a drop-in charger. And you get the radio. Orange, so you can find it. They advertise it as it will float. I wouldn't want to test that unless you, you absolutely have to. Comes with an external antenna, which is great. I mean, removable antenna. So you can plug in an external antenna. Let's say you could tap into the boat's antenna if you have the correct adapter to the coax of the boat antenna. It appears to be an SMA female to the SMA male on the radio. So there you go. Let's take a look at some of the features. Okay, some of the features of the Cobra HH350 Marine VHF radio. Again, they're boasting that it floats. Never lose your radio. Floating design and highly visible orange core makes retrieving the radio easy if dropped overboard. I might have to try that, I might not. Noise cancelling mic. It's a 6-watt VHF radio and selectable power outputs of 1, 3, and 6 watts for short and long range communication, so you can save your battery. 6 watts maximum output power is pretty decent. You have the channel bands in the USA, Canadian, and international channels. This is great. Great feature. You can use this radio anywhere in North America and some of the international channels as well. It has NOAA channels, instant access, weather alert with an audible tone, visual alarm, a burp, vibrates water out of the speaker grill and improves speaker performance. And it is submersible, IPX7 rated. Submersible under 1 meter for 30 minutes is the claim. Locking charging dock so it doesn't tip over. And that's some of the features of this radio. Like I said, pretty impressive for the price tag. Comes in around $125 US. Like I said, the antenna is detachable, which is an important feature if you want to tap into the boat's antenna. It has a speaker microphone jack, 3.5 millimeter jack. It has a lock button and a backlight control. Rotary power volume knob on the top. Illuminated function keys and display, memory channels, selectable keytones, instant channel 16 and 19, the emergency frequencies on the marine band, similar to 9 and 19. Battery saver circuitry, tri-watch, which you can listen to 3 frequencies at once. So you can listen to one from each band, or maybe the emergency band and a band that you have boat to boat. Scan and memory scan, and a spring-loaded belt clip to secure on the mariner's waist. So there you go. The Cobra floating VHF HH350. A great economical radio if you're a part-time boater, if you're maybe you're going just on a fishing trip, or you work at the docks. Great radio to have in case of emergency. Maybe you might your engine might fail and you might need a tow in. This radio could bail you out. Call for help, call for a sea tow, and in an emergency, call for the Coast Guard. So let's see if we can fire it up and see what it sounds like. Now for the final, most important feature is removing the protective screen cover. Coveted by so many on YouTube. Okay, it's time to fire it up. Let's get on the Marine VHF band. Up and down, call, memory, scan, HML and weather, 16 and 9 emergency channels. It's all there. It's not going to be much as we're not at sea. I'm not going to transmit either. We're not at sea. But there you go. The Cobra HH350 floating VHF marine radio. If we're so happen to be at sea, we'll definitely put it through its paces and give it some testing, and I'll report back to you. But if you have one of these radios, comment below. Tell me all about it. If you like it, if it's a good deal, comment below. Like and subscribe. Don't forget, check the description for additional on this radio, for the final word on this radio, and for updates on this radio. And thanks for watching, everyone. Catch you next time, right here on 640 AM, The Mix, New York's only home for house, techno, and marine radios now. Thanks for watching. Don't go anywhere. Bloopers are up next. Important belt clip installation. We're going to do it right now on YouTube. Let's see how difficult it is. Yeah, it's a little difficult. Yep. This might make the blooper reel. You have to, there you go. You got to press it in. There you go. Not so easy. Okay, there you have it. An unboxing and review of the Cobra Marine VHF floating radio, the HH350 FLT, a portable radio. Clip it on your mariner's belt and you're ready to go out to sea and have some fun. These radios are inexpensive. They're coming in around $125 US, perfect for the boating season, perfect to charge in your car, charge at the base, and you could charge it on the boat. And what I love, the best feature is you can tap into the marine antenna that's on the boat if you get the proper connector. The one drawback is that you can't charge directly into the radio with the power cord. You got to drop it into the drop-in charger. Other than that, so far it is a decent radio. I will put it on air when I'm out at sea, and if I'm able to capture some video, I'll of course bring it to all of you to see a follow-up on this radio. Comment below, tell me what you think of this radio again, and like I said, check the description for any updates on the video, the final word on the Cobra VHF Marine Radio. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll catch you next time right here on 640 AM, The Mix, New York's only home for house and techno and reviews of marine radios. Thanks for watching, everyone.